Welcome to day one of our Windows Server 2022 course. We're starting with the fundamentals of this powerful operating system. Windows Server 2022 is the latest iteration of Microsoft's server operating system, bringing enhanced security, hybrid cloud capabilities, and more. Our main goals for this course are to help you understand the basics, prepare for a successful installation, and confidently perform initial server configuration. Windows Server 2022 matters for its robust security features, improved performance, and ability to bridge on-premises data centers with Azure cloud services. Next, let's look at the different server editions available and the necessary hardware and software requirements. The primary editions are Standard, ideal for physical or minimally virtualized environments, and Data Center, designed for highly virtualized data centers. Minimum hardware requirements include a 1.4 GHz 64-bit processor, 512 megabytes of RAM, and at least 32 gigabytes of disk space for basic installation. When installing Windows Server 2022, you have a few methods and options to choose from. You can perform a clean install, starting fresh, or an in-place upgrade to migrate from a previous Windows Server version while keeping data and settings. Another key decision is choosing between Server Core for a minimal interface or desktop experience, which includes the full graphical user interface. Once the installation is complete, there are crucial initial configuration steps to make your server functional. Immediate post-installation tasks include checking network connectivity, installing necessary updates, and configuring basic security settings. A critical step is setting a static IP address for reliable network communication and renaming the server for easy identification on the network. To manage your server effectively, you need to familiarize yourself with the primary management tools. Server Manager is your central hub for managing local and remote servers, installing roles and features, and monitoring server health. Windows Admin Center provides a modern, browser-based interface for managing your server infrastructure, especially useful for remote administration. That wraps up our first day. Let's recap the key points and see what's next. Today, we covered Windows Server 2022's importance, explored the additions and requirements, and walked through initial configuration steps. Tomorrow, we'll dive into one of the most vital server roles, Active Directory Domain Services. Be sure to join us.